Next up is the Bomb Maker's supply cache. This you'll find all the way in D5, even though the key says differently. Zooming in just to the north of the Said City Mall here, there's a gas station, and further up north, this little cluster of buildings up here. Just to the southwest of this top building here is where we'll find the Bomb Maker's cache. This area is filled with very lightly armored AI and is usually really safe to come to as long as you're a little bit prepared. When you get here, you'll see a crash site, and inside of this crash site here, you'll find this chest. This is the Bomb Maker's supply cache. It's right here. Once again, in D5, we're just south to the center of D5 here, right to the north of Said City, above the gas station, in this little cluster all the way on the middle west side of the map here. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. That has been the Bomb Maker's supply cache, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.